Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have my dad here to help me with, because we're going to make some slime, fluffy slime, and how we need to do it is we got some shaving cream, we got 2 bottles to make it really fluffy, and then we got some white glue basic, back to school some, and then we got, and if we wanted to get a little glittery, we got some slime here, glitter slime, and we got some contact solution. And we got some colors if we want it to be a little prettier. And we got this ginormous bowl, and we got a spoon. And so yeah, and we got these measuring cups to help us. Are you ready?
Alright, first thing we need to do is 3 cups of this, right? 3 cups of shaving cream. We got barber salt because we're cool around here. Ooh. Ooh. Wait. That doesn't work very well. Dump it in. Dump it in. Pop, 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 pop. Alright, can I do the next one?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Here we go.
Can you guys see it?
Oh, jeez.
Oh, that's too loud.
Uh-oh.
That's
You know what? Here, scoop that out of there. They're handy dandy spoon. Always have a handy dandy spoon. Okay.
Can I get the dog?
You know what? Yes.
Oh, you do it.
No.
I'm afraid.
There.
Yeah, that's what we do around here. Play around.
And
Don't do there. I want to try it.
go ahead. We're just gonna add a little bit more because we can. Oh, we gotta have it straight up like that. Alright, that's good.
Oh God, that's gonna be really
Look at what you did.
It's gonna be really fun.
Look at what you did. Always clean up your mess. Always.
Okay.
Okay, next what we need to add.
Am I the shaving person?
Oh, shaving cream girl.
Okay, what's the next step then?
Next step, I think, which color we also have. Show the colors that we have.
We got pink.
Pink glitter glue. In case you want to add a little bit of color to your stuff. You got this just cheap dollar store stuff. Uh-oh. You gotta take these off. Alright. Don't use your teeth.
Yeah, one thing, don't use your teeth.
Yeah.
And
never
Dad,
put this in your mouth.
And Dad,
yes.
the red and the purple and the orange is yellowish, and the pink and the blue are going to go together.
Oh, no, we're just going to do one for this first batch. This is just a test batch. Next, though, we need glue.
White glue.
White glue. We need like half a cup of this. So we're going to use...
Can I pour it in? I'm going to pour mine.
Wait. Okay. Yeah, put it in the bowl.
Okay. Whoa,
That's good.
Really fluffy. That's gonna be really fluffy and big.
We're kind of experimenting here. There's an experiment or a recipe that says how much it's supposed to be. 3 cups of shaving cream, half a cup of glue, a tablespoon of saline solution.
That means we need this one?
No.
Okay.
I think we're just gonna try it with just one.
Can I squeeze it?
If you can, get it all out, you woman. You got it. Whoa, look at those muscles. Alright. Hang on.
That's my muscle there, guys.
Whoop.
String! I love
Alright.
string.
So this is about what we have.
Hey, don't pour them out.
I'm not pouring it out. Now, let's just take a little dab. You want the pink one in?
Yeah.
Alright. Squeeze a little bit in there.
Oh gosh, this is hard to squeeze out.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Let me help. You want me to do it?
Good.
You gotta drop.
Okay, can you help me?
Oh, here we go. Alright. We'll try that, and then what food coloring do we want in there? We have green.
Blue.
We have red, yellow, and blue.
Can I
Go ahead, squeeze it in. We got blue and pink, and that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good.
Oh, that's
Really?
Sorry.
Really?
Sorry.
Really?
Sorry.
Alright. Now that we have that, we need our tablespoon
Daddy.
of saline solution.
Where's my spoon?
Right over here.
Can I pour that in? What is that thing?
When we feel it up.
Oh God.
Yeah.
You'll pour that in.
You want me to pour it in?
Yes,
You
please.
sure?
I will pour it in.
Pour it in.
What?
Boom.
Okay.
And a little bit for some good measure. Now,
Dad.
here's the fun part.
What?
We have some pink, some blue in there. And now, we mix it, don't we?
Yeah.
Should we use our hands or should we use a spoon? Spoon, that spoon? Spoon.
Actually,
mix.
give me a bigger spoon, please.
Why? No, use this.
Okay, fine.
Use that. Mix it. Mix. Oh, I got it all over. We're spilling glue everywhere.
Dad, I think I put too much glue.
Nuh-uh.
Oh, God, it's filling up.
Maybe. There. Whoa. It's already becoming super sticky.
Yes,
Let's try actually a little bit more of
Wait, Dad.
super foam. Super foam.
More.
Foam is
More.
super foamy. Let's go. Go.
We need
I think now we may have too much.
What?
Wipe it up. Go get some paper towels over there. We
We're
need more.
We're a messy person. Dad, can you get more colors?
Yeah, because this isn't super colory, is it? We can add more to this.
Yeah, put a lot of color in.
What should we add? More blue? More blue. Let's make it more blue.
Yeah.
More blue.
Wait, can I put it in?
Go ahead. Squeeze. All right, let's try that.
I'll mix it now.
Go ahead, mix it in. See what we got, and we'll show everyone what we got.
Dad, you mix it. I'm not getting
Really?
any more messy.
It's getting blue.
Yep. I want to add some red.
Sort of. I think we're gonna make a couple batches of this to see what colors we got. Holy
add some red
moly
to
cow.
Can we add some red? Add some red. We need some color. Yeah, I got it open.
All right, add a little bit of red. That's the glue, though.
No?
More.
You like red? Okay, play
Let me
red.
try it. All right, that's good. Good.
Whoops.
There you go.
Yeah, one thing about this.
Still pretty gooey.
Can I go in with my hand?
Yeah, go with your hands. Let's get in there.
That's really fluffy. Guys, this is fluffy and
It
messy.
is still pretty sticky, though, on us. It's still fun.
Oh, yeah.
Show. All right, should we show it? See how far we can get it up? Stretch it. Stretch it.
Well, guys, this is what we got.
Oh,
And it's
my
very
Lord.
fun.
We got a little bit of pink. All right, this is about what we got. Not a whole lot of red, but really blue. Oh, that's a mess.
I'm the messy one here.
That is a super mess. Super
This
mess.
will make a really good bubble.
A bubble?
Yeah.
I don't know. How are you gonna make a bubble?
When we're all done.
All right. You know what? Should we make another batch and then
Yeah.
mix these two and see what we get?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. You know? Because why not? Why not?
Dada, can you please help me get?
You know. Ah, look at this. It's the monster.
I'm a slime.
All right. Now let's make another batch and then mix these two.
What
What do you say?
call a slime expert in.
An expert. We are experts.
No,
All
we're
right.
not.
All right. So get most of that off your hands. Keep it in the bowl, and then we're gonna make a new batch. All right.
Okay. Hi guys, we're back now again because the blue one was a total fail.
That was not a fail. Look at
Well,
it.
it's
not
really
that bad.
sticky.
It is pretty sticky, but it's still fun. We're gonna mix the two, aren't
Yeah, and this one, yeah, we're gonna mix the two. And this time, that spoon was a total fail because it got all over us. And so right now we're back with a bigger spoon, it's a spatula, basic, and it has a purple tip. Let's see if we got.
So we can use. This time we're gonna do.
I already got my colors.
The colors. Okay, what are we doing? We're gonna add some of this.
You're doing it. Can I try now with my own color? With my green one. Can I try now with my own?
Keep using this one. What's that? You gotta have it straight up like that. Okay, good. That should be good.
Oh, we want it fluffy.
It is fluffy. It's just fluffy like that.
Down.
Now we're not gonna use as much glue this time to see what happens. We'll just do little by little by little, okay?
Okay.
Food coloring first. What are we gonna put in? Yellow? We're doing yellow first.
Oh, it's orange.
That looks orange, never mind. Well, it's yellow cap, it'll probably turn yellow. Okay, that should be good.
Okay. Now we're adding the purple.
How about, you wanna add purple? Where's purple?
Right there. Wait,
Purple what?
purple blue.
This is blue.
No. Purple.
Ice Royal Blue.
Oh!
Ice Royal Blue.
Okay.
Hang on. I want to mix this in here to see, get all the colors, everything.
Oh, that's yellow! It looks like the sunshine!
It does. It's pretty. Not
Ready?
yet. Not yet.
Looks like the sunshine.
Mix it all around
Huh?
some more.
Want some more? Okay.
No more shaving cream.
Alright, time to dig it.
Alright, go ahead. Dump it in. Dump it in. Here, let me squeeze it for you.
Okay.
We're gonna go.
Oh, wait, Dad, stop. I want to show them. Here's what we got so far, guys. We got some yellow and purple. I mean blue. Yellow and blue.
Get all this out of here.
That's purple. And can
It's Ice Royal Blue.
Yeah. And then I am going to go ahead and mix.
Go ahead, mix it all together. Let's see what we got.
Ooh, it's going to be purple. Ooh, the yellow's sticking over.
This is looking kind of cool though. Looking kind of cool.
Ooh, look, that's kind of blue. Oh, it's green!
It is getting green, isn't it?
Guys,
We got kind of a greenish mix. Kind of almost looks like our part of the rainbow pancakes from yesterday, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then we had the green one. We should add some
pink.
pink. You want to add some pink? The rest of the pink?
Let's
Let's
do
put
yellow.
the pink. No, we already got lots of yellow. Add the pink. There we go. I'll help you squeeze. This stuff's kind of tough. Whoa. All right.
I'm gonna start mixing. Whoa, Dad. Oh,
I kind of like the blue.
me
Let
too.
me mix. Let me dip from the sides here.
Now you're gonna go in with your hands.
What, me?
Yes, you.
Me? Are we missing anything? We got everything in here.
Okay, Dad. Now we gotta mix it with
I think we need
the
more glue. We need more glue.
glue.
Cool.
A little more
They're coming.
things coming.
It's all coming.
But squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze the same together, Dad.
All right, that's good. Now keep mixing it in. We might have to put some white glue in too.
Because we didn't. Ooh.
All right.
Oh,
Keep mixing. Keep mixing. Keep mixing.
Ooh, it's turning into slime.
It is. Green slime.
Guys, look. It's turning into slime.
See?
Can you guys see it? Oh, it looks like a total blob.
You want to put your hands in it?
No, you do.
You.
I don't know.
Same time. 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Is it sticky?
Yeah, we still need to add more, I think.
Yeah.
Rum.
Can I have some of this?
No.
And then our last color is yellow with the green.
Boom. Boom for Jansen.
Okay.
Rum.
I'm doing this one.
Ew. Alright, should we mix the two though? Let's mix both of these. We're going to dump this one into that one. Alright. We're going to put the green into the big blue bowl. Where's my spatula? We're going to see how this goes when we mix it all together. What do you think it's going to be? What kind of color do you think it's going to be? Blue.
But we're going to have some red and all these colors.
Come on. Alright.
Hand me some blue, Dad.
Hang on, we're not adding any more to this.
No, we're just going to add these two colors.
And we mix these two together.
Please, Daddy.
And we're getting kind of a cool color combination.
Ooh. Yeah.
Holy moly, we got a big bowl of slime. Go ahead, add it. See what happens. We're adding green and red, right? That's good, that's good, that's good.
Never know when you need too much. Can I add a little bit of yellow?
Nope.
Okay.
Let's see what this does, if anything. Make it some swirls.
Ooh, that's cool.
Oh, that's getting real slimy.
Okay, sticky. Oh, we just... Daddy, don't
And
eat
this is what we got.
Daddy, don't eat too sticky.
All right.
Just push them down. Whoa! I'm gonna go. Is it sticky?
A little bit. Dig in.
Okay. Please don't call my hand.
Yeah, it didn't really. I mean, the color's kind of made it a dark grayish.
Dark greeny.
See. Oh
Try to
boy.
make a bubble. That'll be fun. I don't want to get that nasty, so.
All you need is some shaving cream, some food coloring, some glue, and you can make your own fun at home. It's a little messy, but it's fun. What do you think, Ari?
It's really fun and stretch. Guys, look how stretchy it is. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
The bullet will fall over soon.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make some slime. You can make whatever colors you want. Try a bunch of different combinations and have some fun on your own. All you need again is some shaving cream, some glue, some saline solution, and you're ready to rock and roll. Some food coloring. And it washes all right off. Thank Lord. That's gonna take years. Yes. Wow. Okay. This awesome. Awesome. Make sure you wear some different clothes too, because we get it all over our clothes, huh? Yeah. Oh my Lord. Look at this stuff. Still playing after all this time.
It's really funny.